Is using toothpaste for acne safe? Know the truth. Everyone hates the big, ugly, painful zit that pops up out of nowhere on your face. And most of the time when that happens, we're either late for work or we have an important meeting coming up. It's pretty annoying, right? Well, the first thing that might strike your mind when you see a zit or pimple appearing is, when will it disappear? I learned this DIY acne trick when I was in middle school that dotting toothpaste on my fresh pimples dried them out and made them go away. I used it a couple of times and I kind of felt that it worked. However, it made me think, is it truly effective and safe in the long run? Hello everyone! Welcome back to Sound Health Solution. Before I reveal the truth about toothpaste, it's time for the fun segment of the video, the daily health quiz. Which part of the skin does acne affect? Here are your options. To find out the answer, click the link given in the description below and check out the official website of Sound Health Solution. Now, it's time that I finally reveal the truth about toothpaste for acne. Turns out, toothpaste is not safe for your skin and it should not be used to treat acne. When bacteria enters our skin cells, they plug our skin pores and start to grow in the hair follicles where the oil glands are present. Even though toothpaste contains certain ingredients like baking soda, xylitol, triclosan that may have a drying effect on the pimples, it should not be used on our skin. Because firstly, toothpaste is meant for your teeth and not for your skin. Secondly, concentrations that work for your teeth will certainly be harsh for your face. Hence, using toothpaste on a pimple will irritate it even more and cause more breakouts. According to Dr. Joshua Zeichner, the Director of Cosmetic and Clinical Research in Dermatology at Mount Sinai Hospital in New York, toothpaste used to be an over-the-counter remedy to treat zits and pimples because most companies use triclosan as the antimicrobial ingredient in toothpaste. Triclosan has an antimicrobial property that can kill acne-causing bacteria on the skin. However, the recent revelation that triclosan can cause hormonal disruption has many toothpaste formulas ditching the ingredient. Therefore, even though your toothpaste may dry out your pimple, it is not a prescribed primary treatment for all acne at all. Also, the gel-based toothpastes have an added whitener, or colors, or other additives that can irritate your skin and worsen your red spot. Bottom line, guys, toothpaste is not a recommended method for acne treatment. Instead, you can use ingredients like benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid that work great to clear acne and help prevent it as well. That's it for today, guys. If you found this video interesting, do share it with your friends and families. If you have any other beauty myths that you'd like us to investigate on, do let us know in the comments section below. This is Sound Health Solution, the ultimate destination for your health guide.